How to use two audio outputs at the same time in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use two audio outputs in the same time in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to System. It's on the left hand side here. After you're on System, you should see the sound option. Tap on the sound option, and after you do that, simply scroll down, and there you should find an option that says your uh advanced. Just scroll down, and there you should see more sound settings. Head over there, and after you're on your advanced settings, head over to recording and right click on the white area. Now, if this show disabled devices is not checked in, just make sure that it's checked in. Tap on any one here and head over to properties. After you head over to properties, there you should see device uses. Simply tap on that and tap on use this device. After you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. Again, tap on OK and you're basically done. Now that is how you can use two device audio in at the same time in a Windows device. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.